All a Pecha Kucah is it's a Japanese form of presentation where you only use a series of images. For your project, you're going to have five pictures, one picture representing each paragraph of your thematic essay. Your sixth slide will just be all your citations of where you found the pictures. So here's an example of one that I did for All Summer in a Day. In my opinion, the theme of All Summer in a Day is jealousy ends up hurting everyone. In the story, the kids are jealous of Margot and they call her a liar. They say she's lying about remembering the sun, and this causes resentment. That verbal bullying ends up leading to a group mob mentality. They all are swept up in their jealousy and shove her in the closet. However, after they realize that they forgot about Margot and left her in the closet, they all feel terrible about it. So that shows that in conclusion that jealousy ends up hurting everybody. This kid might be jealous of the other's cookies and Coke, but in the end, he's going to be healthier and the other kid's going to be hurt by his unhealthy choices. And then these are my sources that I got all the pictures from. Remember the lesson that Mrs. Valls taught you of how to find images that are not going to be copyrighted. And that's it. Your presentation should only take about 20 to 30 seconds. Just make sure you copy and paste your link onto Google Classroom when you're done.